Back with another banger, guys. Good morning. Good morning. So, a lot of Bitcoin to get through, guys. JASMY with a new listing. Hara's doing a seminar today, doing a keynote speaker. Lots going on, guys. Let's get right into it. Let's have a look over at the bubbles. The bubbles. Bitcoin holding 62.3 right now, which is fantastic. We want to stay above 62. And we did. We have so far good closes, down 2.3%. But we'll see what happens when the markets open. Right now, they are not open for another 9 minutes at the time of recording. Ethereum down 26.14. JASMY down 2.2%, 2 cents. 11 down $1.04 billion market cap. 66 million in volume, guys. Market is kind of red this morning, but again, the markets haven't even opened yet, so we'll give it some time. We'll see what happens in a little bit. But there are some good DCA opportunities out there this morning, guys. Turbo, SEI Network. What else have we got? Veracity, Naka Games, Flux is looking juicy, Arbitrum. A lot of good DCA opportunities. Jupiter's down to 85 cents. Wow, what a good pickup. Link's down almost 5%. Some good pickups, guys. Some good, solid pickups. Firstly, let's go have a look at Bitcoin's chart. See what's going on. All right, so as you can see, we are in our golden pocket still. We've tested support here at 62.1, and we've stayed inside. Now, what's important here, guys, is we have the golden cross right here that may be forming in the next 48 hours, I would say. Golden cross, very, bullish, obviously. Nice break to the upside in the making, in my opinion, guys. So we're going to keep an eye on that golden cross, see what comes of it. RSI is nice and neutral right now at 53.03. Not bad. All right, let's get into looking at the Dixie, see what she's doing. Let's see what the Dixie's doing. Dixie's still looking like a bloodbath. Absolutely bullish for risk on assets, guys. For crypto, Bitcoin, very, bullish. All right. So let's see what's going on around the market for Bitcoin. While others are selling, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETFs saw another 224 million in inflows yesterday. Highest in over a month. You absolutely love to see that, guys. The inflows just don't stop. What do we got? Talking about more rate cuts. Listen up.
No one wants to fight the tape, I guess, but is there anything concerning in the underlying mechanics of what you look at in the market, Gabrielle, or all clear?
So I would say it's never all clear. When we think about the risks these days, it's really two-sided. The first, on the more macro front, there is very clearly a downshift happening in terms of the momentum of economic growth. Soft landing, still the base case, but as Chair Powell and the Fed members let us know last week, risks are tilted now to the downside in terms of growth. So for us, the way to implement that in portfolios is still to be risk on. We still prefer equities, corporate credit, but to remember that we shouldn't go to an extreme positioning in small caps, for example, or low quality cyclical stocks. It's still a time to focus a lot on quality. And then the other big risk is just in terms of positioning, valuation, sentiment. And here we come to the more overextended parts of the market, like the Magnificent Seven, and of course, the big focus ahead of NVIDIA's reports tomorrow, as well as some other tech companies. We still find that sentiment and positioning towards the early winners of AI are pretty overextended. And as we saw earlier in the summer, the snapback of that enthusiasm can be painful for portfolios.
So
I think AI is just getting started, in my opinion. But I digress. What do we got? NASDAQ seeks SEC approval for Bitcoin index options routers by source of routers. Very, bullish, guys. NASDAQ coming out swinging for the fences. What else do we got? Of course, it's the SEC's approval they're looking for. So, Gare Bear will find a way to screw us. Bitcoin ETFs see sustained inflows amidst Ethereum ETF outflow struggles. So the ETFs in the United States have recently displayed a noteworthy activity with a huge divergence between Ethereum and Bitcoin funds. As per the data provided by Spot On-Chain, a well-known on-chain analytics firm, Bitcoin ETFs witnessed 203 million in net inflows, while Ethereum's ETFs incurred 13 million in outflows. Grayscale. On August 26th, the analytics provider revealed that the current standing of the individual exchange-traded funds on its official social media account. Spot On-Chain mentioned in an X post, the current divergence between Ethereum and Bitcoin's ETFs reflects the contradictory investor sentiment. BTC ETFs saw a significant amount of 203 million in inflows. This marks the 8th consecutive day in terms of positive inflows for Bitcoin. Throughout the previous week, Bitcoin ETFs maintain a positive outlook, particularly on Tuesday and Friday. The Bitcoin ETFs recorded staggering inflows of 88 million and 252 million, respectively. This respective consistent inflow signifies the increasing confidence among investors in Bitcoin. On the 26th of August, BlackRock led the Bitcoin ETF market with a substantial inflow of 224 million. This represents a top signal inflow witnessed over the recent 25 days of trading. Additionally, Franklin Templeton and Wisdom Tree saw 5.5 million and 5.1 million in inflows. Ethereum ETFs, on the other hand, the Ethereum ETF market has shown massively negative flows on August 26th. Out of 9 ETH ETFs, 6 witnessed no flows at all. However, the other 3 ETH exchange-traded funds experienced a 13.2 million in outflows. The current outlook of the Ethereum ETFs is also a continuation of the gradual decline seen in previous weeks. The week began with 13.5 million leaving Ethereum ETFs. As a result, the continuation of this trend, these ETFs incurred losses of almost 5.7 million on Friday, and on August 26th, Grayscale maintained its position as the top Ethereum ETF in terms of negative flows. Of course they did. This cumulative outflow of Grayscale reportedly reached 9.5 million on August 26th. Franklin incurred a net outflow of 1 million. Apart from that, Fidelity recorded 2.7 in outflows. So, Bitcoin ETFs doing great. Ethereum ETFs, not so much. And then we see more adoption of Bitcoin here, guys. Big moves are coming out of Russia and soon China. Russia to start using cryptocurrency for international transactions from September 1st to bypass sanctions. That's no surprise. What else? We got Hara speaking today, but first, let's have a look at JASMY's new listing. BTSE official. We are thrilled to unveil that the latest expansion to our futures offerings, introducing 3 new perpetual futures contracts with up to 20x leverage. True, LPT, and our beloved JASMY coin. You absolutely love to see that, guys. I know that a lot of people say, well, who cares about these, these tiny little exchanges, and, like, they're just small. Well, guys, listen. Here's the thing of it. These small exchanges add up to hundreds of millions of dollars, if not billions of dollars, pouring into asset classes, right? So every single one of them is a drop in the bucket. And finally, what do we have? Courtesy little bidman, Hara. We covered this about 2 weeks ago. Hara is a keynote speaker at the global Bridging Real World and Virtual World Global Meets in Web 2024 in Tokyo. Hara, this man, has been everywhere this year. I say it all the time, from ETH Denver to Dubai to Vietnam to South Korea. He's in Tokyo. He has no chill. As you see, Jangshan represented down here at the bottom. Absolutely love it, guys. Hara, the hardest working man in crypto. Let me know what you guys think. As always, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, guys. Click the join button to become a member of our community. We'd love to have you. Guys, book your one-on-one coaching sessions over on the Patreon. They book up very, very fast, guys. You do not want to miss out on that. Every week they fill up quickly. The Patreon has been exploding lately. The live 24-hour live chat is going. Great community over there. We do technical analysis training videos, one-on-one coaching. We do swing trade opportunities. My portfolio breakdown is over there. We do crypto giveaways. Just so much stuff going on, guys. I can't even remember it all. So you're missing out if you're not over on the Patreon, guys. Join our community. We'd love to have you. Link is down in the description. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.